optical illusion. So how is it that your brain is being tricked into believing that it is actually seeing something else very constantly, even while still looking at the same thing? Are you curious to know? Okay, let me bail you out. So when light enters the eyes, it enters through the cornea and the lens, and it forms an image at the back of your eyes, which is called the retina. Now, the retina actually creates an upside down image of the light that is actually entering your eyes. So what that means is that, for example, if I'm looking at a fan that is standing upright, when the rays of light enter my cornea and the lens and forms an image on my retina, is actually seeing an upside down fan, and that is how that image is formed at the retina. Now what happens is that the retina is not exactly perfect in forming an accurate image of what it is seeing. It means that it is not picking every single detail. It has blind spots, it is not accurate, and it has uneven sensitivity, and that is exactly what illusion takes advantage of. So your retina sends that image, that upside down image that it has formed, it sends it to the brain in form of electrical signals. So your brain is receiving electrical signals, right? And it sends it through what is called the optical nerve, right? Those nerve endings at the back of the eyes and all of those. Yeah. So there is a way your brain interprets the signals that the retina is sending. So just like I mentioned, that the retina is not perfect in capturing every single details. It has blind spots and uneven sensitivity, which illusion takes advantage of. So what it means is that even the electrical signal that the retina is sending to the brain is not exactly accurate as well, right? So there is a way your brain interprets things, right? It interprets based on context, based on past experiences, you know. That is how your brain interprets, yeah? And there is a way your brain also, groups shapes and lines to exactly see an entire image of what your eyes is seeing. There's a way it interprets contrasts, colors, patterns, movement, depth and shadows as well. Now, because your retina is not exactly sending the accurate information, what your brain does is that based on experiences, based on context, it tries to fill in the gap for you, right? It is constantly doing that because it is not getting the accurate image, right, of what your eyes is seeing. So it will constantly be guessing and trying to fill in the image for you. And that is how your brain is actually tricked into believing that it is constantly seeing something else while even looking at the same thing. So I hope you have learned something else today.